उदरगत जाय पण पर्यावरणाक नुकसान करून नका. पर्यावरण मोगी कागाळ करतात. पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीच्या नावाखाला शेकड्या वर्षाची पोरणी झाडा आणि दायज स्थळा सरकार नष्ट करपाक लागल्यात. देखून पर्यावरण मोगींनी तिडक उक्तायला. पळयात.
हेरिटेज एक्शन ग्रुपाचे मेंबर्स हांगा जमल्या. तो शॉकिंग इन्सिडंट जो जाला हांगा हे सुंदर अशें चिचेचें झाड टॅमरीन ट्री ओवरनायट कट केल्ली आसा. गरज नाशिल्ली कट करपाची. तेन्ना आमी 2004 ती वाचयल्ली आनी कट केल्ली आसा. आनी हो जो खांबो आसा 1859 3rd November this pillar we know as Konka pillar was built to commemorate the construction of a road linking Panjim with Donapal. Okay, and that is also engineered. There mati gale and the side they have dug a trench. So this pillar ami barela letter to CCP to save this pillar. They should not demolish this pillar.
When I was holding the post of a horticulturist at the Corporation of City of Panjim, I looked after the tree cover for so many years, and what is very disturbing now, we are calling this the smart city. Cutting down trees and calling it a smart city development, I don't think we have got our basics or fundamental right. Tree cover is very important when you say it's a smart city. You have to work around the trees, then we can call it a smart city. Now, if you want to get this look, we have to plant a tamarind tree today and wait for another 100 more years. And believe me, the rate with Taute and the amount of tree cover that we have lost in Panjim city is going to face such terrific heat waves. I can write it in blood because I've seen the number of trees with Taute that have fallen down. Just take a round for yourselves and see in the city, any documentation, what was the city cover 5 years, 10 years back, and see what is now. All what I can say is we are heading for doomsday. And it's right now that all of us should take an initiative and protect our heritage trees. This is not called smart city development by cutting a tree. When you plan and work around it, then we can call it a smart city. It breaks my heart to see a beautiful tree go down.
This is an appeal to the people of Panjim. People consider that when you're opposing cutting of trees, you're anti-development. You are not. In the age of climate change, trees are the most important resource we have. You walk today in Pato, it's boiling hot. You walk in Kampal, you see the difference. You can actually move in your city. That's because the trees are there. So what we are appealing is you do whatever it is, but you be sensitive to what has already been put. A tree should be considered a development. A tree takes 100 years to grow. A concrete building comes up in 2 years. So we have to find a way to valuing this natural assets which no one is considering today. So it's my appeal to the people of Panjim, all our appeal that you come out and you fight as to what you want for the city of Panjim.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीषा जाधव आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर.